Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the can't stop syncing folder issue in OneDrive. Without any further ado, let's get started. Start by navigating to your Windows desktop and clicking on your Windows Start menu. This is where we'll access the built-in repair tool that comes with OneDrive. Once your Start menu has opened, here's what you need to know. To fix this syncing issue, we're going to use OneDrive's built-in reset function. This is a clearing and repair tool that comes automatically with your OneDrive installation, and it's specifically designed to resolve problems like this without affecting your actual files. The reset function essentially clears any corrupted settings or data that might be preventing you from stopping the sync on specific folders. Now, I'm going to show you a file path directory that you'll need to enter. Feel free to pause the video here and copy the complete file path carefully. The path you need is %localappdata%Microsoft /OneDrive/OneDrive.exe/reset. Make sure you copy this exactly as shown, including all the spaces and slashes. Once you've copied the file path, go ahead and paste it directly into your Start menu search bar. After pasting it in, press Enter on your keyboard. What happens next is that the OneDrive reset executable file will run automatically and begin the reset process. This completely resets your OneDrive app to its default settings, clearing out any conflicts or errors that were preventing you from managing your synced folders properly. The great news is that your actual files won't be affected by this process at all. Your documents, photos, and other data will remain safe and untouched throughout the entire reset. Now all you have to do is wait until the reset process completes. This usually takes just a minute or two depending on your system. Once it's done, OneDrive will restart fresh, and you should now be able to stop syncing folders without any issues. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the OneDrive syncing problem using the built-in reset tool. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.